Today, we'll explore a beginner-friendly trading strategy using 3 free TradingView indicators. Why do I call it beginner-friendly? Because it practically tells you what to do. The first indicator shows trend direction, the second signals entries, and the third guides stop loss and take profit placement. Sounds easy, right? Just sit back and watch. Just kidding. You'll still need to do some analysis, but these are basic steps necessary for successful trading. Let's add these indicators to our chart, and we'll discuss settings and rules later in the video. To identify trend direction, we'll use the EMA ribbon. I've chosen one that I use in most of my strategies, not because I'm too lazy to find alternatives, but because it's effective and meets our needs. It's called MA Ribbon R5. This indicator offers a variety of moving averages to choose from, along with color-coded candles and adjustable time frame settings. There are additional features you can explore on your own, or you can check out my previous videos about this indicator. I'll link a few in the description below. For our purposes today, we'll focus on its color coding: green for uptrends and red for downtrends. Simple and straightforward, just what we need. For our entries, we'll use the ITG Scalper. Let's add it to our chart. It's based on a triple moving average, or TIMA. Since we're using our ribbon for trend identification, we'll disable this feature as it can give you many false signals if used on its own. We'll cover the settings in the next section. For now, let's move on to our third indicator. Our third indicator is the ATR bands, which is optional. I know you might want to use all these strategies with a free TradingView subscription, which now only includes 2 indicators. Correct me if I'm wrong. However, I sometimes use more than 2 indicators in my strategies because I find it effective. If you're interested in a paid TradingView plan, feel free to use my link for a sign-up bonus and to support this channel. The ATR bands help with stop-loss placement and take profit levels. They can clutter your chart, so you can toggle them on and off as needed, typically when placing a trade. Let's set up our indicators. For MA Ribbon R5, we'll use default settings with fast period EMA at 50 and slow at 100. For ITG Scalper, set TIMA period to 50 and untick the noise filter. It's based on a MACD, and I've noticed it sometimes gives late entry signals. For ATR, set the period to 20, band scale factor to 1.5, and take profit scale factor to 2 if you're using it. You can toggle it on and off with a checkbox, and it'll appear as gray lines on your chart. I encourage you to watch this section carefully till the end. You'll see why soon. This is a trend-following strategy, so we buy in green, uptrend, and sell in red, downtrend. But entering solely on buy-sell signals isn't enough. You might have some good trades, but you'll likely incur more losses. It's not just about these signals. Many indicators give similar entry points. Always look for extra confirmations like support, resistance, or structure breaks. I sometimes hear that my strategies are complicated. Well, here's a secret. Trading is complicated. I always try to combine multiple confirmations to make the strategy more effective for you. If you've been following this channel, you know I love trend lines. We'll use them here too. When price pulls back, draw a trend line and wait for it to break. Once it does, confirm with a valid buy-sell signal depending on the trend direction. When entering a trade, switch on the ATR bands for stop-loss placement. For long positions, place your stop-loss below the entry candle at the lower band. For shorts, above at the upper band. Your take profit will be at the opposite band. It's now set to 2, but adjust based on your risk tolerance. If you prefer not to use ATR, a classic fixed risk-reward ratio like 1.2 can work well too. Before you go, I highly recommend checking out our recent video where I break down a highly profitable swing trading strategy.